Check this out if you love smart solutions. This hidden gem is going viral globally and for a massive reason. Size-specific get ready amazed because this is proving to be a complete game changer. The secret behind its huge popularity is simple: it performs flawlessly. It brings professional-level utility straight to your hands. You will absolutely love how it works better than anything else in the market. It saves you energy, money, and unnecessary headaches from day one. It is truly a premium solution without a heavy premium price tag. Thousands of buyers are obsessed with it before it sells out everywhere. Check this out if you love smart solutions. This hidden gem is going viral globally and for a massive reason. Size-specific get ready amazed because this is proving to be a complete game changer. The secret behind its huge popularity is simple: it performs flawlessly. It brings professional-level utility